everyone, welcome to Learning All Tutor. As part of my New Year resolution, I have started doing urban farming and I have started doing planting tomato vegetables and some leafy vegetables. For leafy vegetables, I use the small pots, and for tomato, I use the bigger pots. These are the new ones which started germinating, and the other ones are little older, 3 weeks, 2 weeks old. So in this video we'll cover only about tomato plantings, and in other videos we'll cover about how to grow leafy vegetables and other vegetables. So for tomatoes we need a bigger pots, and the distance should be maintained with each and every plant around 1 feet of distance. So tomatoes should be having enough water supply. So in the soil just mix coco peat and the vermicompost so that the soil keeps his soil is wet, and it gives enough supply to the plant. So if you see in 3 weeks, 4 weeks of time, the flowers started growing. The yellow ones are the tomato flowers. These are the ones which will turn into tomatoes. So every 1 week or once in every week I start recording the videos to see how the plants are growing. So if you see, the plants have grown a little taller now, and the yellow flowers started coming, and after a few weeks the plants growed really big and bushy. So when the plants grow bushy, it will be really tough to handle it. If you see, there is a small tomato which started coming here. So as and when the plant becomes bigger and bigger, we need to have some support for the plant so that it stands steadily and doesn't break any branch. So I can see some of the tomatoes coming up. So whenever we get these yellow flowers, and when the yellow flowers are little big in size, just shake it properly so that the pollination happens well and the tomato grows very well. So generally that pollination happens with the wind blow, but if in case there is no proper wind, you can just give it a gentle shake so that it grows well. Make sure you don't hit it hard, or else the flower will fall down. Some of the flowers get dried up, which means that they will not make any tomatoes out of it, which is fine. But whichever flowers are good and strong, just shake that well. So in this I have 8 plants, 4 pots and 8 plants, and if you can see that it's already bushy. So to support the plants, I have given some support with the help of rods at the beginning. The plants have really grown well, bushy, and I can see a lot of tomatoes started turning out to be green from the flowers. But it is not yet the time to harvest, so I'm just waiting for some more days for the tomatoes to turn little orange. So in this video I will tell how much tomatoes I have made from these 8 plants. So all the tomatoes started turning green. So this is the homemade pesticide which I have used for my plants. So this is made up of neem oil of 60 ml, ginger oil of 60 ml, and chili oil of 60 ml. So I have mixed all that in one bottle and give it a spray. This is completely chemical free pesticide. By this, the leaves will be little tasteless, so that the insects won't come and eat the leaves. So even in middle of the plants, there are some yellow flowers coming in middle of the plant as well, so you can shake them well. I see lot of tomatoes coming up, really small and healthy, a bunch of 3 and 4 everywhere. Sometimes the flower is very loose and it breaks, but the other ones are stronger. So I have given steel rods support here for the plants to stand steadily. Later I will also change the support if required. So these are the 8 plants which have grown very healthy and bushy. So the support of steel rods was not enough, so I have given a wooden support. And if you see, the tomatoes started growing bigger and bigger, but still it is not the time to harvest. We need to harvest the tomatoes when it is turning little yellowish, little orangish. And this is the season when the summer started, and some of these leaves started turning to be dry, which is still okay. So some of the tomatoes started turning yellow, oranges now. So it is time to harvest whichever is ready in orange color. So somewhere in the month of mid of Feb, I started harvesting the tomatoes. And if you see, some of the tomatoes are eaten by the birds like pigeons and some of the insects, so which is still okay. We can leave it as is without touching, so that that particular bird or insect will eat only that particular tomato and it will not disturb the other ones. And for the other ones, keep spraying, keep applying the spray every once in 1 week. Now it is time to harvest, and if you see, this is really good, a nice yellowish orangish tomato which is ready to be eaten. So we'll keep it 1 day at home so that it turns completely orange and ready to use. So this is the first season I started harvesting. The tomatoes are turning out to be really good. So for this I have used a normal seed, which is an organic seed, and started planting with the organic seed. You can use any seeds available in market, and if you are able to get the organic vegetable from any nearby store, you can directly cut those tomatoes and apply it in the soil. It will take little time to germinate, maybe 3 to 4 weeks of time to germinate if you directly cut the tomato and apply it, but that will also work. So as the summer is starting, some of the leaves are dried up, so remove all the leaves which are getting dried up and let the water supply go to the healthy leaves and healthy tomatoes. So in this season I have started harvesting very well. All the tomatoes are growing, turning out to be really well. And in the soil I have also mixed coco pit and vermicompost. So once in 2 weeks, keep adding some coco pit, keep adding some vermicompost, and just mix the soil top of the soil, so that the water keeps the soil keeps out of dry, and it gives good water supply to the plants. So all this urban farming, I have started doing it in my apartment. So this is a little space available in my car parking space. So I have just planted all the plants in pots, and every day I have started getting at least 4 to 5 tomatoes, which is really good. It's a really good output. So this was the first time I have started doing tomato plantation, and I didn't expect this good results, but it turned out to be really good. So my New Year resolution was a successful resolution. really cool and nice tomatoes. Some tomatoes turn out to be little shapeless, but that is still okay. It is very good to eat. This is completely organic, no pesticides used. The pesticide which I have used is completely homemade organic pesticide, which I will give in the description. You can follow that method and make your own organic pesticide, chemical free organic pesticides. So this is one of the biggest tomatoes, and it already had a crack because of the size. As the summer is starting and growing, the heat is growing up, the leaves started drying. But after this season, after March, the tomato plantation will not be that successful. I have to wait for another 4-5 months to replant tomato seeds. But whereas we keep getting tomatoes in market even in April-May time zone, because that is all completely made of chemicals, and with the support of chemicals and pesticides, that still keep growing. And for tomato plantation, it should at least have 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight and enough water for it to grow properly. So even if these leaves are dry, you can still see there are a lot of tomatoes which are still waiting for to be harvested. And he is my son, and he really loves gardening along with me, and he plucks all the tomatoes. Every day we pluck at least 5 to 6 tomatoes from this 8 plants. So overall, this 8 plants gave me really approximately 5 kgs or more than 5 kgs of tomatoes in a time span of 1 month, which is a very good result. And I hope you like this video. I'll also be posting some more videos on leafy vegetables, ladyfingers, and what all we can do to grow a healthy vermicompost at home. Show it.
Tappy, tappy, tappy.